Next request is I want to hide any file in D drive and then hide that. Sorry, I want to hide any file in the D drive. Okay, and then I want to unhide that file. Okay, so how to do this means, see, for hiding and all, okay, hiding and reading and all is attribute. Okay, see here. Okay, okay, hiding a file or read only the file are attributes. Okay, attributes means it is a character of the file. Okay, so it is a character of the file. Okay, so we can either make a file read only, okay, or you can make the file hide, okay, by using plus, minus, okay, and using H symbol. Okay, so we will see how to do this one. Okay, so first you open the command prompt. Okay, so first I am going to D drive, because here I said I want to hide any file in D drive. Okay, so for this first I am going to D drive. So D column. Okay, so D column. I am seeing the folder. Okay, what are the folder is there? dir. Okay, so I am going to this folder. Okay, MS-DOS folder. So for this cd, okay, and then copying this one, and pasting here. Okay, and then I want to see the folders in this. Sorry, and then I want to see the files in this folder. For this I am using dir. Okay, see, for example, I want to hide this file. Okay, biodata01 file. Okay, I want to hide this file biodata01. Okay, in the folder MS-DOS. Okay, so how to do means, see, I want to hide the file. Okay, so first thing is I want to find the attribute of the file. Okay, I want to find the attribute of the file, this file. Okay, so for seeing the attribute I am using attrib and enter. Okay, so the attribute of this file is archive file. Okay, archive file, this is archive file. Okay, okay, so I want to hide this file. Okay, so for this what I am doing is I am writing attrib attribute. Okay, I want to hide this file. Okay, biodata file. For this, okay, I am using the syntax plus h. Okay, h means hide. Okay, that is plus h means hide. Okay, and the file name is this one. So file name. Okay, and then you press enter. Okay, so now you can see in this folder. Okay, so there is no file. See, so listen here. Okay, I want to hide a folder in, sorry, I want to hide a file in D drive. Okay, so first time in C drive. Okay, so I want to go to D drive. Okay, so use this one, D colon. Okay, so next I went to D drive. Okay, so in the D drive I want to see the folders and files name. Okay, so I used the command dir. Okay, so these are the folders and files in the D drive. Okay, so after that I want to go to the MS-DOS folder. Okay, so after that I want to go to the MS-DOS folder. Okay, so for this I used the command cd command, cd, okay, and MS-DOS. Okay, so next I went to the MS-DOS folder. Okay, so next thing is I want to see the files in this folder. Okay, so I used the command dir. Okay, the files, there is only single file, that is biodata01. Okay, there is only single file in this folder. Okay, in this folder we are having only single file. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to see the attribute of this file. Okay, so I use the command attrib. Okay, the attribute of this file is a means archive. Okay, archive file. Okay, so now I want to hide this file. Okay, hide this biodata file. So I use the command attrib command. Okay, and then plus h. Okay, plus h means I want to hide that file. Okay, the file name is this one. I want to hide this file. Okay, so I used plus h. Okay, so after that I want to after that I am checking whether the file the file hidden or not. Okay, I am checking whether the file hidden or not. Okay, so for this I am using the command dir. So if you see the dir, there is no file. Okay, okay, there is no file. Okay, okay, there is no biodata file. Okay, so after that what I am doing is I want to unhide that file. Okay, because here they told hide any file in D drive. Okay, and then okay, and then unhide that one. Okay, so okay, I'm unhiding that one. For this I'm using the command attrib okay -h. Okay, so +h for addition for hiding. Okay, -h for removing that hide. Okay, unhide for -h. Okay, the file name. So this is the file name. Okay, okay, and then I'm pressing enter. Oh, okay, now I'm seeing whether the file is there or not. So for this I'm using dir. See here. Okay, the file came. So in the previous example, okay, see here. So when I okay, when I hide the file, this file, okay, so in this folder there is no file. This file is not there. Okay, so next thing I'm unhiding that one. Okay, I'm unhiding this file. Okay, so you can see in this folder we are having that file. Okay, so this is the process of hiding and unhiding that file. Okay, next you will see how to find the date and time. Okay, so for finding the date, use the command date. Okay, so current date is this one. Okay, so okay, for finding the date. Okay, and then for okay, and for finding time you just type time and enter. Okay, so this is the time, current time. Okay, so this is the way of finding date and time. Okay, and next you see this one attribute. Okay, attribute we saw now. Okay, so this attribute is external command. Okay, attribute is external command. Okay, so it is very important. Okay, attribute is external command. Okay, see here. Okay, I mentioned no to see time and time and data internal commands. Okay, date and time are internal commands. Okay, okay, so this is the process of doing. Okay, hiding and unhiding and also finding the date and time. Okay, and next thing is I want to clear the screen. Okay, so to clear the screen, cls. Okay, clear screen. Okay, next thing is I want to exit this one. Okay, because I want to close this command prompt. Okay, I want to close this command prompt. Okay, for this the command is exit. Okay, so exit. Okay, exit, and then you press enter. Okay, then it is closed. Okay, so exit is an internal command. Okay, exit is an internal command. You can see. Okay, so exit is an internal command. Okay, exit is an internal command. Okay.